this is my, well, office slash makeup room. I'll have a vlog on this soon, spotlight on a contributor, and that's me. Decided to frame it, computers, working desk.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me.
So guys, this is the passageway as soon as you enter. To the left we have a mirror, and to the right we have the toilet. Basic old style toilet with a cute little window. I actually like this artwork, it's pretty cool. And this is another closet. So there are 3 closets in here. And that's how the hallway looks. There's another top window there, which is nice. So we've seen the toilet, the closet, we have a rack with our things. Shoe rack that leads upstairs, I'll show you that later. Over here we have the pantry. It's a normal entrance hallway like that. I love that light, it's cute and round. Here it's just storage pantry, quite big, but I'm not gonna show you all of that. Here we have the living room, I'll show you that last. The kitchen, stove, usual kitchen stuff, fridge, there we go. All of that. This leads to outside. I'm going to show you that last. We have the bin over there, we have the sink. I have a few dishes to do, those are done. Cute plant, that's the shed. Going back the hallway, the toilet that way, bedrooms upstairs. Here we have the living room. Created that for Bella to get through. Starting here we have the fireplace because it gets quite cold in the winter and we are using wood to keep warm. We have our pictures and this lovely decoration of lights. Here we have the dining table and currently a work desk slash gaming desk slash dining table. VIP lounge. It's already getting dark. It's about 3:30, but it's already getting quite dark. Tapestry. This shows us the outside garden. We have a better view of it from this angle than before. Those are the books and this is our reading corner. My workout stuff and Bella's litter box, her foodies. Beautiful plant where Bella drinks her water. It's a bit messy. Some movies on. The window, the couch, and that's how the door is from that angle. We have a bit of wall art in that section. That's about it. Here we have our little angel, Bella baby. Miss Pesto chilling in her little couch thing. And let's take a look. And in this vlog I basically show you a bit of how this house looks. So that's like the living room area, as you can see. And don't forget guys, you can like, share and subscribe. That's the garden, but this was during summertime, so it was nice and warmer. And that's it. So let's go back from the back. Bye, Belly. That's another like closet thing. We have the kitchen again. Winter's upon us, so every plant out here is quite dead. And now as we go up the stairs, so we have 4 rooms up here, and the first one is the laundry room / walk-in closet. That's the outside, the garden again, and an extra wall mattress in case there are visitors that need to sleep over. So this is basically where we dry our laundry during the winter months, because it gets cold. It's a bit dirty, but well, disorganized. Yeah, so that's this room. That's the hallway. Leading into here, we have the shower area, and this opens up to outside. So that's the front mini yard. As you can see, our towels, the sink, mirror, a little travel aspiration shot, dishwasher, and of course shower cabinet. Okay, and then here we have the bedroom. So there's a little hallway passageway area here, and of course here's the bedroom. The nice part about this is we have another closet. It's also quite big. That's where we mainly store our suitcases. That I'm going to Zimbabwe soon. There we go. We have the backyard again. That is the whole backyard. You can see it from the window. Bit of sun is out. and the little bed rack as well. Yeah, that's basically it. The bedroom, the TV. These lights also come on. So this is how the room looks. There's a little mirror there. So now we exit out and into here. So this is my work area, my work desk with the computers. A little wow sign. I might actually hang the spotlight on a contributor here. You can see outside again from the bathroom angle. That's the front yard, the neighbors. Hey guys! This is my, well, makeup station, getting ready. I got these recently, the flowers. And that's like a cute wall painting. Yeah, so this is basically, well, where I get ready with the little chair stool thing. And this again is another closet. Very basic. Yeah, so that is this room. It's quite big, but it's mainly just like an office slash makeup corner and to do my hair as well. And this, well, we're traveling to Zimbabwe soon, so packing up. So that's just there temporarily. And that black blind, I pull it down when it's dark and then have the lights on. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's in the shower area, the walk-in closet slash wardrobe slash drying clothing slash ironing area, the bedroom. Okay, and that's about it.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?